What animal goes from 0 to 60 faster than a sports car? It's not a machine, it's the cheetah. The fastest land animal on Earth, cheetahs can hit speeds over 70 miles per hour, but only for about 30 seconds. Talk about a short sprint with style. They don't roar like lions, they chirp. More bird than beast, but way cooler. Their black tear marks? Not just for looks, they reduce glare from the sun, like built-in sunglasses. And their claws? Semi-retractable, like track spikes for extra grip while running. But here's the mystery. Cheetahs may be fast, but they're not great hunters. Over half their chases end in failure. So how do they survive? Would you want super speed, even if it only lasted half a minute?